What the fuck? Who struck us? Oh god! Oh god! What the fuck? We were struck by lightning in the house! You son of a bitch! No, but seriously, we should find an ocean. Arr! That is totally not what I wanted to break. Nothing. God damn it, I didn't want to bart it! Okay, Brandon. Oh, there we go. I ain't gonna get started.
No.
You stuck?
No, I can close it.
What? What?
Come here.
I want my boat back, bitch. Give me my boat. I don't have a feather. What? Oh, no, no, no! Go back to the one where it's got his leg out like this. One more. Right there, that one! Right there, but I'm like this. This is Steve. He needs armor. No, no, no. I think it's fine. Oh god. Oh my god. You change that to time and take it right. Thank you. Is that your sword? I want my armor back. Okay. Diamond, please. It's a diamond. Are you in creative?
What?
You son of a cock. Wait, you should like give me leather boots to be an asshole. Oh, he killed me.
Hold on, I can make another gun.
Pick this one up. Oh, that's cool. I'm spamming his armor. Watch.
Oh my god! Look, 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 look. Look at him.
Oh dear God! Hey! Will you stop moving it?
Oh my... No, no, no. It's diamond.
Yes. Only.
Oh.
I fixed it. Oh, I volunteer my armor. What did you do? So, how you doing? Taking his swords, apparently.
Yeah, sword.
Give him a diamond sword. Why can't I punch you in the face? I mean, I try so hard to punch you in the face and you move! Why can't I punch you in the face? And... oops.
You know I have 3 swords.
The chickens are in the corner where I wanted to put him. Oh, I can't even put him there anyway. I got the perfect spot for him, okay? You'll all see. Come here. Well, come here. He needs the rest of his armor. And his sword. There we go. See? Then he can be dabbing in the outside world.
There we go.
Oh my god, the sword looks so cool.
I know. It looks like a ninja.
Oh
my god.
What does that look like?
It looks like this.
No, get back here. I need to hit you once. Die! 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 I have a feeling you're gonna kill me now.
Wanna go outside?
Sure, let's go outside. Ooh, you should spawn the wither. We could so take the wither. Don't tell me you're actually going to, because if you are, you're on your own, bitch. Oh shit!
What?
I fell. Fall, that would have killed me. You wouldn't happen to want to go in creative and give me an axe, would you? I found the perfect little hut place. It's on the shore of this little pond. You're gonna like it.
Where did you go?
Teleport to me.
No.
I can't see your oh. Okay, look behind you. Do you see my gamer tag off in the distance? The little white thing? Give me that.
Oh, I see it now.
Come to it.
I just lost it.
Sorry, I may or may not be sneaking. But you'll know when you get there. Are you there yet? Nope. No, I see you. You know, it's kind of hard to see you from hiding.
Oh, I see you.
You do?
Yeah.
Where?
You're in that little pond.
How do you see me? I'm in Snake. But we're at in the little pond.
You see me still?
Yeah. Oh shit, this works in creative. I might be stuck, Brandon. I need your help. I don't know how to get out of here, and I'm gonna drown. I see you. Do you see me?
Yeah.
Oh god, it's getting to be nighttime. Hurry up, get some axes. We need a house over here. What?
Let's see a match trick.
Ah, what the hell? you idiot. You should never get in the boat. Get in the boat. I will find a way out.
Why?
And when I do find this way out, oh God, Brandon, help me, help me, help me, help me, help.
Alright. Why?
That was fucking funny. I can just see where your corpse is. Brandon, help. What?
No.
What is in the house?
Zombies.
How? Stay right there.
Died.
I'ma help. Yeah, see, I'm not too terribly far from the house. From my house, actually. Since I built it.
What?
I built it, remember?
No, you did not.
Damn it. It usually works. So how's Bobby doing? So how's Bobby doing?
He's doing good.
Do you even know who the fuck Bobby is?
He seems to be dancing.
What did I say about changing his... I wonder. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Don't mind me.
No.
Fuck you. I'm trying to create a suicide door. I'll put water at the bottom, I promise.
No.
I'm not shooting at you! Ah! I wasn't shooting at you, the freaking skeleton was shooting at you. I don't even have a... Oh dear God! Oh dear God! Ah! Why? Fuck you, I need food! I have a feeling as soon as I get up, you're just gonna place another block. This takes a lot longer. What did you place here?
Alright.
You son of a bitch! Why is this taking so long? Thank you for letting me back in. Now, can you give me some more oak planks? You mine them faster with a frickin' stick. You're experiencing hunger. Why are you eating rotten flesh? I mean, I know what I'm doing. I ate the good food. Don't you dare. Fucking A, you dick! What? I was at 3 health! Ah! Fuck you! How do you block? You little fuckface! You're in 3. What? You got God mode enabled, don't you?
What? God mode.
Then how are you not taking damage? Oh God! Oh God! Ooh, Oakwood.
No.
You turned on adventure mode, didn't you?
No.
I can't mine anything! Fuck. I can't even get in! Fuck! What? I died.
Ow.
How did I die? What the fuck?
Were you at full health?
Yeah. Well, I was at like half health. Bum bum ba da 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 da. Oh, Brandon, I'm a... How?
What the heck?
Will you stop killing
I'm
me?
not killing you.
I can't place anything and I'm gonna die again. Just watch. Just watch. Just watch. Just watch me. I'm gonna die. I know it. Doesn't even say what I was killed by. This game is a fucking dickhead.
You sure it doesn't say anything when you die?
Brandon! I keep dying!
What the?
How? Hold on. Yeah, that didn't kill me. So I obviously have not fallen at all. Brandon?
What?
I see what you're doing. Oh shit, but now I can't get back in the house. No, I can't! Oh, I can. What the fuck? What the fuck? I just kept dying randomly. Tell me you didn't have anything to do with that.
No.
Honest to God.
Yeah.
What the hell? I died again!
I don't know what's going on.
You probably did. I can't place anything. Here, if I give this to you, will you place it? Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you could place it down.
No, you place it.
No, I'm pretty sure you could place it down. Try it.
Oh god! Oh shit, now I'm stuck out here. Ba bum ba na 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 da 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 da.
What the heck?
I just keep fucking dying! I wasn't done posing it!
Like you said, I'm gonna keep you up.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah, he kicked me off! Oh shit, now I'm stuck.
I don't know what's going on. Something's showing me.
Mm-hmm. 5 bucks says I'm gonna die.
What the?
Now watch, 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 watch. You will take no damage. You won't even take fall damage. I do not want to die. Again. Please don't let me die.
I'm not. I'm just gonna watch.
Brandon.
What?
Keep your phone screen like this, because I have a feeling you're using a command to kill me.
No.
Oh, son of a bitch, I gotta go.
Alright.
I've gotta fucking go.
Hold on before you go.